All right, y'all, Philly D back. We in a 2010 Cadillac DTS, the 4.6 liter in it. Customer came in concerned about their ABS light. So I'm on the test drive, and you know, with these Cadillacs, their service stability track light will come on when there's anything wrong with the ABS system, whether it's a wheel speed sensor or the ABS module or anything within the suspension. You know, this car will detect it, and that light will come on, set off all your lights, your traction control lights and stuff like that. So usually with these cars though, the wheel speed sensors do go bad. So I was test driving it, and all the wheels, well, obviously while I'm driving, you'll see a graph here. Oh, y'all can't see it now, but all the wheel speed sensors are reading. So that's telling me that there's something else wrong with the system. So I'm gonna have to take it back and further look at the suspension system. But also, check engine light was also on. So I'm like, okay, I already looked in there. I just did it. Where's the let me go back to the car is actually misfiring right now. So I went in there, let's check the codes real quick. The codes they got is a P0201, which is a injector malfunction, and then the other one is a P0300, which is a engine misfire or random misfire. So yeah, I think that's a little bit more of a concern, because if customer keeps driving this car like this, you know, they're gonna blow the engine up, you know, the cat's gonna go bad, all types of bad stuff. So I'm just gonna let them know that it'd be more, you know, more smart to address this misfire situation and this injector problem on this car. So, and real quick, I had you can actually go to the data and actually see the misfire happening as we speak. So if y'all remember the code, it had said cylinder 1 or number 1 injector, right? So as you can see, it's saying misfire cylinder number 1. See, right now we're just in the data, and the data is reading each cylinder. So as y'all can see, cylinder 1 is misfiring. Just keep going. Those are the counts. If you go down to number 2, cylinder 2 is 0. You know, go to cylinder 3 is 0. Go to cylinder 4 is 0. 5, 0. 6 is 8 cylinders, so it's going all the way up to 8. Okay, it doesn't go to history. This is telling me how many times this car misfired over time, right? It's the history. All right, and then you got cylinder 2, got a couple, cylinder 3, 0, 4. You know, rest of the codes, rest of the cylinders have a few misfires. So basically, you know, you can definitely address that one injector, and then probably recommend a full tune-up. All right, y'all, so I'm testing this number 1 injector on this Cadillac. As y'all can see, it says open loop right now. I close my pins, you get a reading, right? So if I touch the 2 terminals on the injector, I should get a reading. All right, so I'm touching the 2 terminals, and I'm not getting a reading. Open loop on that injector. I'm gonna touch a good injector over here and show y'all what it should do. And you see it's reading, I see it's reading 14.1 ohms, right? 14.3. So that's what a good injector is supposed to read. All right, that's the good one, and that's the bad one back there, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and recommend an injector and full tune-up. Let's get it.